Virgil Kane is my name, and I served on Danville train. The Stone Man's cavalry came and tore up the tracks again. It was the summer of '65. We were hungry, just barely alive. By mid-10, the Richmond fell. It was a time I remember oh so well. The night they drove old Dixie down, and all the bells were ringing. It was the night they drove old Dixie down, and all the people were singing. They went la 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 la. With my wife in Tennessee, when one day she calls to me, she says, Virgil, quick, come see, there goes the Robert E. Lee. And I don't mind chopping wood, and I don't care if the money's no good. Take what they need and leave the rest, but they never should have taken the very best. The night they drove Dixie down, the night they drove Dixie down, they went la 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 la. Like my father before me, I worked the land. Like my brother before me, who took a rebel stand. He was just 18, proud and brave, but a Yankee put him in his grave. Swear by the mud beneath my feet, you can't raise a king back up when he's in defeat. The night they drove old Dixie down, and all the bells were ringing. It was the night they drove old Dixie down, and all the people were singing. They went la 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 la. In the timbers of Venerio, the wolves are running round. Winter was so cold and hard, froze 10 feet neath the ground. Don't murder me, I beg if you don't murder me. Please don't murder me. Sit down to my supper, 'twas a bottle of red whiskey. Said my prayers and went to bed, that's the last they saw of me. Don't murder me, I beg if you don't murder me. Please don't murder me. I woke the dire wolf, 600 pounds of sin. Was grinning at my window, all I said was, come on in, don't murder me. I beg if you don't murder me. Please don't murder me. Came in, I got my cards, we sat down for a game. I cut my deck to the queen of spades, but cards were all the same. Don't murder me, I beg if you don't murder me. Please don't murder me. In the timbers of Venerio, black and money mire, dire wolf collects his dues while the boys sing round the fire. Don't murder me, I beg if you don't murder